Starting with a blank page in Canvas, select the Edit button. To add a banner at the top of the page, you can just add in the image without adding a table or any other formatting. Click Images in the menu on the right, upload a new image, choose File, locate the course banner. In the alternative text box, type the text that appears on the banner. Then hit Upload. The banner will appear at the top of the page. To center it, select the image and then click the Center Alignment button in the text editor menu. To add smaller buttons and ensure equal spacing and alignment, you can use tables. Let's add some small buttons underneath the banner for quick access to the syllabus, schedule, and instructor information for the course. Go to the Table button in the text editor menu and select the appropriate number of cells. I'll choose 3. When you add the table, Canvas automatically sets it to take up the width of the screen. This will result in any buttons you add being spaced evenly across a student's monitor. If you don't want this, click inside the table and go back to the table icon in the text editor menu and select Table Properties. Delete the 100% in the width box so that the box is blank. You can also remove the table border here by deleting the 1 and changing the alignment from none to center. Now you see this dashed line placeholder table in the center of the screen. It's ready for your buttons. Click in the first cell in the table, then in the right-hand menu, select Images, upload a new image. Search for your first button, select it, type the alternative text, and then upload. Repeat those steps for each of the buttons you need to add. If your buttons come in too large for any reason, you can resize them by clicking the image until it lights up blue, selecting the Image button from the text editor menu, and changing the dimensions in the Dimensions block. Canvas will automatically maintain the ratio of the image, so you'll only need to change one of these numbers. 200 is a good size for weekly module menu buttons. Repeat the steps to add the remaining buttons. As long as all of your buttons are the same size, the image will be evenly spaced on the screen. If any buttons are smaller or larger than the others, all of the table cells will be sized for the largest image. Notice here that I increased the size of this first image in the table. As a result, there is now extra space between these other images in the table. To fix this, I'll need to make sure that I resize all of the images to be the same size. If you need to add additional columns or rows to your table for more photos, click anywhere in the table and use the table tools to add them.